Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday, January the 6th. Time is 9:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Amazing down pressure in the pre-market, and it's look like it's still pushing down. We have a bunch of orders built in right here, though, at 69 through 64. So looking at my 9 to 19 wick to get on down here to 49 and breach by one tick of 48. I am filled at 10 contracts 52 long. Expecting a push up this morning, probably till crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then I'll watch from that point. I don't trade the fundamentals or the news, so I'll watch at that point, but see if we can pull off a few ticks. This was a big run down, so I'm thinking we're gonna have a decent spike up this morning. We hit oversold early in the AM, and it's been continuing to trickle down from that point there. Had an I zone form here. It's going to be disappearing here soon, so thinking this is a safe area to be in right there. So I'm gonna pull 5 off at 62. If we get up there, let me adjust that really quick, and then I will leave my stop at, okay, 5 off there. I'm going to adjust my stop at 52 is where my entry was. Want to give myself a little more wiggle room though, so I'm gonna leave my stop here at 47. Okay, at 47, that's in there. And if we happen to come back down and hit it again, I will possibly look at the 1.5 deviation line area for my next entry, just depending on where my numbers are. I love this area right here, though. These are institutions. These are the big boys want to play right through here, so looking like they want to set a few traps, and they set a bunch already. I mean, this is a lot, and this is telling me that we should be shooting up sometime soon. So looking at these 4 and 500s pre-market, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm normally looking around 200, 250, and you got this big stack of orders in here. So a lot of that most likely was take profit on these and these here, but here you have a new orders, new set orders right there between the 4s, and this is more typical when I'm liking to see during pre-market. So 52 seems to be a good area to see if we can get a push on up there. So alright guys, I'm gonna go to watch and see if we get this break up at this point. We're still kind of in no man's land, as 1.5 is down at 34.13, but just basing off the footprint, so it seems like a high probability area to get a decent turnaround at that point. So if not, I'll look back around 1.5 deviation, possibly to get filled again, and hopefully we'll get a run up before inventories, or hopefully I'm in the trade while inventories happen with a stop set at break even at that point. So alright guys, I'll be back soon and we'll see where we at. Okay, looking at the 1440 minute chart, we're in some areas we haven't been in a long time. I actually have no idea how far this goes back, but I mean, we're hitting some serious lows right now, and I'm looking like that's really started happening overnight as well. Had a low here at 35.34, and yep, and it breached overnight there. So right now we are 140 ticks deep from settlement yesterday, in the red. So now at this point, trying to catch some kind of a turnaround. I don't expect it to close down here this morning, depending on inventories, of course. So we'll see what happens at this point, but it's just lingering on. So a lot of sellers coming in, so I need to go and pull up see what kind of news is actually floating around on CL and seeing if these are fundamental moves that's pushing this joker down. But just kind of utilizing the charts and just to see where the footprint tells me the supply and demand area is right now. So I still think I'm in a pretty decent area long at 34.52. So 60-minute chart, yeah, down pressure, a lot of down pressure. So okay guys, I'm gonna go back to watching. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so we got a decent little push up going on here. At this point, I'm gonna move my stop on up to break even plus 1 at 53. And we'll see if we can keep this momentum going upwards. And if not, I'll be looking to get on back into this one again here. But as for now, I kind of like the area that we're in. So, alright, not pulling anything off just yet as footprint and telling me to. So this is where patience really comes in. So yeah, hopefully I don't get much heat. It says up about 13-14 ticks right now, and hopefully we can get on up around 50-60, and I'm hoping this will be a 100-tick day again. So alright, I'll see you soon and we'll see where we at. Okay, pulled 2 contracts off at 73 right here based off of these areas of take profits, and I'm going to move my stop up to 62 to lock in 10 ticks. So I'm still 3 contracts long at 34.52 and moving my stop up to 62 at this point here to lock in 10 more areas or 10 more ticks of profit. So okay, back to watching. Be back shortly. Okay, pulling another contract off here at, let's see where we close at, 86, 40, 34.86. One more contract off there based off of more taking profit up in here. Still a lot of orders. I don't know if they're latecomers or as what is this? 89. Looks like a breakout. Folks looking to get the breakout right up in there. So we'll see what happens. So I'm going to move my stop up to 67. Up from 62. Lock in some more profits there. So I'm still 2 contracts long at 34.52. Looking to, pretty much get up. I want to say back up to settlement, possibly, but I'm looking to pull everything off at 52. So right in this area here, that's 100 ticks, and that's kind of always my go-to goal. I may just pull one off if we get up there and see how far the last one can actually push. And that's a big if we get up there. So still very early in the morning, half hour before inventories open up. And at this point it's just managing the trade. So alright, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we at. Whoa, look at this jump here. Okay, I'm gonna pull 1 contract off on that momentum up, and that's gonna lead me into 1 contract. Let me pull this off real quick. Okay, I'm out at 35.09, and that leaves me 1 contract long, and I have a final target set at 35.52. My stop is now going to be at 35.72, and that will lock in 20 ticks on that there. So that happened a little early. Inventories don't come out for another 8 minutes. So it was kind of a strange move. So let's see what happens. So profitable day. Regardless how the rest of this turns out, this will be my only trade for the day. And we'll see what happens in inventories. I see we got a buildup going on right here. Big time. So let me watch this. Actually, I'm going to move my stop on up to 34.98. Right there behind the VWAP. Yeah, 34.98. And let's see if this will continue to push up, or if I'm still in this trade at inventories or not. But yeah, very happy with today's trading so far. So yeah, we got a lot of orders coming in right there. So that was a very nice push up on that there. So okay, see if we can close this day out strong, and hopefully we get a push up after inventories. Hopefully I get to stay in this trade still. So tightened it quite a bit. So it's kind of hard to say. We got a lot of movement in there. I have no idea what actually did that push, but it's okay because it was in favor of my long trade anyway. So I'll be back shortly and we'll finish this day up. Alright, stop was hit. I am out of the trade. I am now out of the market. So I'll say a couple $1,000 today. I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm not going to be trading during the inventory. I may actually, because I think I'm a little short for profit, I may look to get back in after inventories. I don't know. But as for now, that's the end of this video. And with the nice push up, the bounce, this reversal off here, reading the flow charts, reading the footprint, gained a few points here, about 50. Yeah, I'd say around 50 or so points. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.